Alright guys, welcome back to the XK450 vtol reconfiguration or modified version of the plane. And you've probably seen a lot of these online on many different channels, but you've never seen one that looks quite like this. So what I've done here is I've had to remove the props that were here. This thing usually comes with two of these things here that are connected up there. And I've actually just removed it and put it up here, but still connected up the wires so that it goes through the plane, through a hole that's right here. You can't see it because it's being covered up by this piece of polystyrene, but it leads to the control unit here. And what I've done is, as you can see here, the cables went from that motor to here and connected it up there, as well as there is a little servo that is in here that allows this to go up. That allows it to go up and down like this. And that is connected up here. So the wire went through the plane and came out, connected right there. Now this motor here used to be connected underneath there where you see this white connector right there. But I've switched that and now it's connected here. And the reason for that is I think that last time when I tried to start the plane up in vertical mode like this and use this and this prop to lift it up, I think that the back one is more of a stabilizer than it is actual a powerful rotation when you have the three motor setup. So I think that it was giving a lot of power on this one. This one was not creating almost any power, and therefore it was not able to get off the ground. I'm gonna try to see if by switching it that way and having the same kind of configuration that you would have, which is usually the front two motors lifting, then maybe hopefully then this motor will be spinning as powerfully as this one, and maybe that will be enough to lift it off the ground like that. If not, it may still fly in this kind of mode here, and this may be getting more power, so it will still do some sort of lifting as well as pulling, and hopefully that will allow me to fly the plane, because as far as I know, the way this thing works is these only create like upward and downward motion, but this is for steering and not for actual lifting the plane, because one goes up and down and this one goes up and down, but they are sort of, they do this in this sort of counter. So while this one goes up, this one will go down, and so by doing that you won't be able to get a lifting motion. You will get more of a rotational motion out of this plane. And since I'm not able to change that and have to use the controls as they are per the manufacturer's setup, then that's the only way that I'd be able to fly the plane. So we'll see if that works, and we'll test it out pretty soon. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.